questions all the time about how do live notifications work. Tell us the nitty-gritty details here.
Sure. So when your fans subscribe to your channel, they see a little bell next to it, and if they hit that bell, or we say ring the bell, then they get a notification as soon as you go live, every time you go live. So definitely make sure to ask your viewers to ring that bell. If they don't ring the bell and they're just subscribers, then we put them in an occasional notification state. So that means that they get algorithmically determined notifications. Mouthful there, but what it really just means...
What does that mean?
Yeah, what that really just means is that your most active subscribers, so users who are watching your channel and your live streams are going to get notifications as soon as you go live. We also send notifications to users who aren't your subscribers, but they also watch your content very actively, and we think they'll be interested in watching your live stream, so we send them notifications as well.
So, to summarize, because I get asked this all the time, YouTube, do you notify all of my subscribers every single time I go live?
We don't notify all of your subscribers, right? We notify all of your subscribers who have rung the bell, and then your most active subscribers after that.
Okay, so we try to notify the people who we believe would be most likely to tune in and watch your content.
That's right.
While it's live.
That's right. While
not necessarily overwhelming and spamming all of your subscribers with these notifications.
That's right.
That makes sense to me.
Yeah. That's what we see our users want.
Welcome to another commentary. I'm the fish keeping Jamaica. This is another rally commentary. Okay, so you have, let's say, 500, 300, 200, or even 1,000 subscribers, and you have always encouraged your subscribers to actually select the notification bell on your channel while watching your channel, which, you know, the notification bell on YouTube should at least allow you to recognize whenever a new video is actually made public. What YouTube does is the algorithm actually streamline the videos that are newly released. Out of that 1,000 subscribers, probably about 500 of them might be notified that your video have just been released. Why is that so? Now, you met several persons and you invite them to subscribe. They might subscribe and they might watch one video, but the track record of that individual have been recorded over the weeks, months, or days, or even years by YouTube system. Now, this record have actually been synthesized, analyzed, watching different types of video. You might not really get the notification. Select the notification bell. If you notice, whenever you keep on logging on to YouTube, and let's say comparative with somebody else who logs on to YouTube, the page in which you have is totally different from, let's say, your husband, your wife, your child. Because your child might be listening to a lot of music, you might be watching a lot of documentary, and an individual might be looking at a lot of how to do stuff. So when that person actually logs on, those are the type of videos based on your past history on YouTube that is now, you know, created for you by YouTube. What the notification does is that now sometimes you put out a really interesting video, a video wherein which you believe that if watched by everyone who have subscribed to you, you'll get a lot of views, a lot of thumbs up, a lot of comments, and probably your channel will go viral. However, this is not so all the time. Why? Because the notification bell, I think that this mechanism is really structured so as to get it to always be working on your YouTube channel. I believe that YouTube, within the back of the creator's mind, right, is of the notion that this should be your daily job. For you to really become successful in YouTube, it takes a lot of effort, money, investment, time, patience, and creativity. right? To some persons, creativity comes with a high. To some persons, creativity comes with a lot of, experience, a lot of mistakes. You understand? So YouTube, the way it is structured, the notification alone will not give you the views in which you would so desire. So as a result of that, you will always have to be working on your subscriber base and always be working on what the real purpose of your channel. I try to avoid the whole idea of the concept working on content, because as I have said in a past video, content is relative to the validity of the individual's situation, society, community, or even the sphere in which he or she lives, right? Your content, what you refer to as content, good content or bad content or average content, is based upon your ideology, right? I won't go back into that. I did a video and it should be in one of the links above. You will see that, right? So coming back on the notification now, you will always have to be doing videos which actually entice persons to want to watch your channel. Now, I am testing the waters. I am doing several things. I am still doing fish keeping. And don't be fooled, every single thing I have done on this channel, all 200 and odd videos in which I have created, I have published, right, have some linkage to fish keeping and my experience on YouTube. Now, what is my aim and my objective? When I started to actually push out or to promote or to get loud regarding my channel in December, I shared with you in one of my discourse that I am going to be growing this channel together with you. So therefore, whatever I learn, I share it. Whatever I do and make mistake, I inform. Every step of the way, as I go along, I will tell you what I do to get there, and if I make a mistake, I will share with you. Thus, the whole idea of this commentary, or this, what you call it, Rally Speaks. Now, I have spoken to you with regards to working together with somebody within the same field in which you are in. That works wonders. Like, I have done a few videos, I call it more than a few, right, with regards to collaboration, right? I have actually interspersed some music within my videos so as to get you to understand the direction as to where the channel, is going, right? Or should I say, where the video direction is. I have also, with the help of DPK Aquariums, changed my logo, making it a little bit more attractive, right? I've also looked at the whole idea of you fixing your thumbnail so as to get persons to just to click once, right? I do not like clickbait, so therefore I do not practice that. I actually speak out against that, right? I speak to you in regards to sub and as to how I receive my subs. Now, this video is primarily just to share with you the fact that the notification bell on YouTube does not always notify all subscribers within your channel. You will have to promote your videos, promote your channel using both orthodox and unorthodox covert means. Okay, so as I said before in several videos, you now will have to go out there and to converse with individuals whom are within the same field. Remember, your YouTube channel is never in a vacuum. If you consider yourself as the only one within that sphere, you're fooling yourself. Whatever you present on your YouTube channel, persons can get it elsewhere. The issue is the presentation. How is it done? Right? I will speak to you in regards to issues coming out of the whole notification and all that with regards to YouTube at a later date. But as for now, remember, YouTube is a community within a social sphere, a community wherein which persons actually share diverse information. It's not necessary for entertainment, not necessary for education. It is a medium by which persons actually explore, right, and learn new things. Same thing, educate, right? Yeah, beyond that, right? Okay, so the essence of this video have been completed. Thank you for watching Fish Keeping Jamaica, right? You join me on my next video for Rally Speaks, right? You will realize by now that my presentations are gradually being changed. And one of the reasons why it's gradually being changed is because I am evaluating, analyzing, and synthesizing my videos, views, likes, dislikes, so as to chart my way forward. On a matter of likes and dislikes, I appreciate you watching my channel. I appreciate you watching my videos. I appreciate you watching my videos. I would like for you not only to press the thumbs up or the thumbs down. However, I would like for you to share with me not only the thumbs down to say that you disapprove of this video, but I would like for you to actually share with me the reason why you don't like this video. You see, in a classroom, at the end of teaching, you will do what you call an evaluation exercise, where the teacher actually evaluates himself or herself with regards to the lesson, whether or not it was delivered, whether or not the students learned, or whether or not, something needs to be done so as to present the information in a more appropriate manner. In a sense, the students also evaluate the teacher, because it's as a result of the comprehension of the content that child is going to do good in the quiz, the puzzles, and the question and answer section. So, help me evaluate myself. Not only giving me the thumbs down, but let me know as to why. So, thank you again for watching Fish Keeping Jamaica, watching this video. I appreciate it. Bye bye.